Hey, what's going on guys, this is Kedar here. I was trying to play Roblox but I'm getting this error, bad request 400, there was a problem with your request. So what's really going on with Roblox is the server state is down. What's really going on? Let's check out the latest update and let's check out how to solve this problem. So here you can see onto the Twitter, I think Roblox is down. I can't even log in on Roblox. Roblox is down again. Roblox site down, can't log in. Many people are encountering this issue while logging into Roblox account. Roblox currently experiencing issue just few minutes ago guys, and definitely we can conclude that Roblox servers are facing issues, 551 outage reports. Now what's really going on, when they will be going to fix the servers? Let's check it out. Well, Roblox is certainly not hacked. You can definitely see it's the bad request. That means the servers are down, Roblox servers are down, so don't worry about it guys. When they will be going to fix this one, as far as the details goes, there is no time frame, no maintenance schedule. What's really going on? Looks like we are just have to wait and see what will happen next. Once I get any latest details, I'll keep you posted. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How To Guys. See you in the next video.